If you ever love somebody so much, you make me cry. Hi guys, I just get out from the shower. I still have a headache. I wear this I think this is it's Wolverine, right? It's double. I called it Wolverine W. I think this is, I like it because blue, white and yellow and orange and whatever. So I'm gonna take some sandwich to the house. I'm not bringing this. It's very personal. I bring some 4 cats with me because it's very slow now. So, and this time I get the very like a thin one before I get the thick one. Oh my god, every time I wear jeans it's very obvious. So right now over here we don't have any. I'm gonna buy some stuff over here like divider that doesn't take space. You remember this? I made this one when I was in high school. I remember our lemon in the Philippines is very small, right? It's very small and it's very strong. So what I did is I always like cut the lemon. I buy a lot of lemon and cut it, and then every time I go to the bath, you know, not shower, didn't have a shower. Every time I go to the bath, I always like put a lemon, like slowly slide it because it hurt. But before, because I don't have a cotton balls, you just squeeze it and rub it in your face. Don't do it like this. You do it slowly like that in your face. It lightens your face and they get rid of your marks. I do that because there's a lot of people use Maxi Pill. You know Maxi Pill? Oh my god, after using Maxi Pill, their face is kind of like peeling. Like I can see like the white thing is coming off on their face, and then what else? Every time I saw that one, and then after that, in a few weeks, they don't have their face is not peeling anymore. What happened if they're under the sun? They're like a freaking lechon. The face is red and shiny. Like, oh my god, I can't believe it. So what I did is a lemon. And then, you know, I did lemon before. So it really helps brighten my face. Now I need to, I don't know if we can buy a lemon here. The lemon in the Philippines. This bag, it's heavy now. I put a lot in here. I need to edit some video. Sam is here. He carry a lot of speakers, guys. I'm telling you, we have thousands of speakers now in here. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey. Say hi.
Hi, guard.
Hi.
I'm just editing the video right now here. We're planning to go to, we're already on the way to Walmart. Tommy wants to get that couch. The couch is going to fold and make like look like bed. Right, Han? Is that gonna be?
Yeah, it's not really a bed, but it's convertible, so.
Yeah, it's like a couch.
I'm using it for the office.
Yeah, he's going to put it in the office. They don't have gray, so.
I priced you.
We're here in Walmart right now, guys. Walmart, guys, Walmart. Really nice cloud today. Walmart. I don't want to put on my phone. What? Oh, it's nice. Yeah. We have a nice flowers over here. Look at these things. Oh, look at this. A little cactus here. Let's see. Cactus. We have nice one here. Cactus. We're looking for a cart, but we can't find any cart here. So. No, I don't have it. One. Oh no, that's not. That's dying. And I know it. That's dying.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dying already.
It's crackling.
Yeah, I remember this. We have this in the Philippines.
I mean, that actually is like a bonsai.
That's a
too.
bonsai, but they're
This
not.
one over here.
Which one? That one over there. It's Tommy looking for cat treats, dog treats. Huh?
I'm not carrying those anyway.
Yeah, we're getting this from my sister-in-law. There you go. He found it, guys. This is it. This is actually really good. But God bless you. Look at this. This is nice too.
Yeah.
But the cat will ruin it quick.
I'll ruin this one quick too.
Well, this is good too. This one, you can wash this. People can just lie down.
It'll be tall.
That's tall. That's good enough.
It wouldn't work for me.
I'm looking for hanger, guys. Find some hanger. This is really good stuff here. Oh, it's right here. Hanger. It's expensive. Let's see. White. How much is it? It's crazy. Only five. Only five. I like it.
Silver?
Yeah.
I hope so.
So, let me see. Yeah, that's the right one. We get the bonsai, different kind of bonsai, right, Han?
Yeah.
It's not really bonsai, it's just tree. I have to read how it works. And we got one for my sister-in-law, and we get the couch. Can you imagine, guys? My husband keep asking 3 times. The same person.
For a flatbed. Just,
This
don't even have to get a person to bring it. Just give me a flatbed.
The same person, right?
Yeah.
But nothing's happened. We've been waiting, nothing happened. So this woman passed by. She just started her job, right?
Right. I asked the supervisor. I asked a regular kid on the floor, and she was the one that got it done. The supervisor don't know the shit.
Yeah, so the supervisor doesn't even do nothing. All I see is she just keep looking at us, and she keep laughing, like she doesn't give a F to us. So we're home, guys. Flowers and other flowers over here. Oh my god, the cat treats. Hold on, I put this flower up here. I'll be right back. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Ann. Hold on. He's doing unboxing. If you ever love somebody so much, you make me cry. If you ever love so make it right. I never love somebody who's done it. Oh no. That white chair, hon, it's gonna get dirty.
Yeah, this one. You want to do the tool with this?
Huh?
The tool here? Oh, yeah.
You just took it out. Sinky, 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 God, my husband tried to torture the flies inside. And look.
He's not died, but he's unconscious.
Huh?
He's unconscious.
You're really killing him. Killed it properly, hon. Don't do it in the sink, put it in the garbage.
Where's he been now?
The fly collapsed. Oh, my honey. So now, he's a torturer, guys.
Are you fucking kidding me? You fucking moron.
Mahangin sa labas. I miss my long hair. My hair grow really fast. It's not really fast, but it grow. I can tell it grow because it's already here. It was here before. Transfer hand. He's trying. He's all over the place. Did you see that?
He's having issues.
Slow down, hand. Don't do this car because
He's having issues.
yeah. Don't play with this. I don't even want you to be close in this one. There's a house, guys, running. Oh my God, this is big. Hold on. Look, it's a big house. It's turning somewhere. Look at this. How big is that, guys?
Big house.
It's a small house, but you know, that's the other piece. The other piece we passed it already. Yeah, the other half of the house. And the other one is behind us. You know, in the Philippines, we carry houses. You have to like they call it bayanihan. You carry houses, help with the help of your neighbors. They carry it, transfer it to wherever they want to transfer it. And bayanihan still exists in the Philippines because it happened in my town not a long time ago.
There's a old guy in a sexy car.
Huh?
Old guy in a sexy car.
You called sexy. Where is it? Oh, that's the car. Oh, that's the car that my husband said sexy. What car is that?
Corvette.
Corvette. It's a Corvette.